First up is a Sigma 1770. Next is a Canon 18 to 55 IS. Here's the Tokina 11 to 16. Here's the Canon 28-105. Here's a Canon 70-200 2.8 IS.